Hello team and happy holidays! It's one of the most magical seasons of the year and we are super excited today to let you know that we are bringing back our ultimate holiday gift giving guide for photographers, our 2022 edition. Now this guide is jam-packed full of some truly fantastic photography gifts for the photography lover in your life. Everything ranging from $10 all the way up to $500. There are so many different options in here of wonderful experiences, of hands-on photography courses, and a whole bunch of fantastic stocking stuffer gift giving ideas. You are going to have an incredible time reading through this guide, and I promise there's something in there for every photographer in your life. So make sure you're getting your copy and downloading it today so that you can have a read through and buy the very best gifts for the photographer in your life this year. Of course, I would be crazy if I didn't plug our photography course coming up here. It's our Photography in Focus program. It's a 10-week photography course kicking off at the end of January. And over these 10 weeks, the photography lover in your life will go from photography zero to photography hero. And we would love very much to see the photography lover in your life come and join us on this course. So of course, please make sure you're having a look at that as well and seeing if that fits in with your idea of what your photography lover might enjoy doing this Christmas time. Truly guys, this gift guide is the very best way for you to become the very best gift giver this year. So grab your copy, download it, have a read through it, and let us know if there's any way at all that we can assist you in choosing the best gifts this year.